do to your own vehicle.
Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you today how to install a tire pressure monitoring system in a car. With my car, I have numbers, but they do not correspond to any of the tires in any sort of order. It's just randomly listed, even referring to the owner's manual. So what I've installed, this is installed on a Grom infotainment center box. However, this is compatible on any Android head unit. It's essentially just a dongle that plugs in to a USB port. So as long as you have a head unit that accepts USB inputs, this will work. For me, it fits directly in my dash. Nice, convenient, out of the way, works great. This is the box that it came in. This is a generic TPS, tire pressure monitoring system, that I actually purchased on eBay. I'm going to put a link to one down that's on Amazon down in the description. You'll be able to get that a lot quicker than the almost a month that I waited to get this from eBay, and I think it may even be a higher quality product. And dealing with Amazon's always pretty easy as far as sending things back if it's not the correct thing. So they do send a thumb drive with instructions on how to install the app from their thumb drive. It's actually labeled a different name. I actually don't recommend using the thumb drive at all and just downloading an approved app from the Google Play Store. It works a lot better. As far as the installation, it's super easy. All we're going to do is attach the sensors onto the tire stem. First you put the nut on, you screw it down, you screw the sensor onto it, you'll hear the air coming out, and you continue to tighten the sensor down till you don't hear any air. Then you're going to tighten the nut to the back of the sensor. This prevents anybody from stealing it. Super simple as far as screwing it on. It's got instructions with pictures. They actually do have a separate model that if you have to upgrade your tires or you have to change your tires soon, it's an internal set. I think that actually looks better than the large caps that are on the outside. But it's not that these look bad or even stand out, and if you have darker rims, I think this would even look better. It would look more inconspicuous, as you would not even notice them there. So after I installed the app from the thumb drive, that was the error message that I was getting. And it took several minutes for it to actually connect to them and then produce that screen. So as I said earlier, I recommend using an app directly from the Google Play Store. I went through about 3 of them before I found one that worked with my hardware, and this one worked great with my hardware. So when you first install it, it's going to ask you authorization to use that USB input. You give it authorization, open the app, it automatically connects, it'll automatically calibrate with the app and work. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, or leave it down in the comments. Thanks, we'll see you soon.